My Ghana brothers and sisters, how on a day? I know it's on a day fine. See, I beg. See, if you na make easy Igbo verse, you know come build the Igbo community, Igbo kingdom for a place. Eh? If you verse, una go cry you, and when una go the beg and make it come build them, but then it don't dey late for now. If Igbo people verse leave Ghana, you see that Kumasi wanna tell they make shakara. Wey be say that the only thing when una get for Ghana. If you Igbo live una no go even see food chop. Talkness of transport wey una go take reach Kumasi. I don't dey talk now. Una do aye oh ah aye oh ayama ewe wo ayama oh ayama oh ayama. That time una no go see aye your talkness of ayama. I am Mazio Kechpi while I reggae me say I wonder Omondoba. Mona listen.